Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Taba. Thank you so much for joining me and thank you so much for watching the previous videos. I'm so grateful for your comments, your likes, and I'm grateful for every one of you guys. Today we are continuing with the series on the power of organized spaces and organized objects, and I'm going to be sharing with you how I organize my handbag and the bag that I'm currently using, and also how I have a little station in my home designated just for me to make sure that everything that I use on a regular basis is organized. This is my personal little storage. I carry it with me all the time, and so I'm going to be sharing with you what it contains and how it helps me to stay organized around the home at all times. I would love for you to do me a favor. If you're not yet subscribed, do consider subscribing to the channel. I would love for you to be part of this great family. So click the subscribe button in the corner right there, and also like the video and share with your friends, your family. I totally appreciate that. And if you're enjoying this series, do leave me a comment. I'd love to know how you guys are using this information. It makes me, at least it kind of helps to know what content it is that you guys prefer. So this is the third installment on our organized spaces series. I wanted to share with you guys this little basket right here where I keep my daily items that I use around the house. So I'll just share with you what the station is for. So first I have a book that I'm currently reading, which is The Greatest Salesman by Ogmandino. So I read this 3 times a day. So I need to always keep it up close every morning, after lunch, and before I go to bed. So I keep it right here so that I can grab it. This is a notebook that I'm currently writing all my ideas for my business, and just like a brain dump for my business and for our home or the work that we need to do. So like, for example, I'll just sketch, like rough sketches of what I want the entryway to look like if it just comes to my mind. And I'll have like a brain dump. Also, there's another sketch there. And also, the boys' room or the bunk room. I just write notes in there. So this is for my business. So I keep this up close because sometimes I just have ideas pop up in my mind all the time. And then I also keep this sleeve, which is where I keep my notebooks. Actually, I left this one out, but I keep these 3 notebooks in here. I use this every day as well. So this one is my prayer journal. So I write like notes on, or just anything that I hear from God, or my thoughts to God, what I hear from Him, that kind of thing. So this is my prayer journal. And then this is my daily notebook. Like, I write my daily to-do list. You've probably seen me many times. My weekly menu plan, grocery list. So we've got a grocery list here. So I take this with me everywhere. So I write every day, I'll have like the weekly meal plan, the grocery list, and then you turn the page, you'll see here a to-do list for the day, what I need to accomplish that day. So this I grab basically every day. And then this is my notebook for A Course in Miracles, and I'm also doing a challenge called Awaken the Species. So I write down the notes from those 2 books that I'm currently going through. I actually, put little stickers, ACIM, A Course in Miracles. And then I wrote a little note here in the front. It says, "This has been one of the greatest awakening books I have encountered. These notes, quotes, and responses are to guide me home to my original state, holy, unchanged, peaceful, and eternal." So yeah, that's what these two books mean to me, and those are the lessons that I've been learning. So I just decided to, write down my thoughts right there. So yeah, that's basically, the notebooks. So they stay in this little pouch here, this little purse that I keep right here. Okay. And then I have this journal. I've been using it now for 2 days. It's for 2 years, sorry. It's not dated or anything like that. I keep my passwords, so things to remember, and just, little things that I need to remember. And then I have a little notebook, just, when I have projects and I need to just quickly write some ideas, I grab this little notebook here. And then I have a to-do list in there, work stuff here. So if I don't have this brown one, this brown purse, I just grab this one and I write my ideas. I just jot down just about anything in this one. So I keep it closed just in case I don't have the other ones. And then I keep my hard drive here. This is my work hard drive. So just in case I need to get some stuff, and I know, so it's like a station that I have for all my stuff. And then I have little stickers in here as well to write down all the things that I need to label my notebooks. And then I've got this little pouch. I got this from a friend as a gift when she was traveling to Turkey. It's written here, Istanbul, so I love it very much. I keep here some cue cards. I write down verses to remember, or quotes that I want to carry with me in my handbag and that kind of thing. So if I have something that I need to remember, I just write it on this, on one of those cue cards. And then I have one last thing here. I have a little ball that I keep in this as well. So I keep stickers. If I need to use little stickers, posted stickers, I've got a washi tape just to mark some pages. And then I have some lip gloss if I need to touch up my lip gloss in the day. And then I've got highlighters, pens, and just little things to mark my notebooks and journals when I'm working throughout the course of the day. So this is basically like my little office in the house. So sometimes I might be in the bedroom and I work in the bedroom. Sometimes I might be in the living room, I work from there. I just grab this thing. Or I can even just say, to the kids, go and grab my little office and bring it to me. They know where to get that. So I have my stuff curled in this little thing so that it's all organized at all times. And then my handbag, I disinfect this once a week, but let's see if I can show you how it looks currently before I get into. So this is how it looks. Okay, and then I'll just show you guys like in detail what I have. Okay, so in my bag I have this guys here. Okay, and it's a Zara bag with these two handles right there, so I can carry it like this, or I can use the sling bag as well, but it's quite big. Yeah, good quality as well. I got it at Zara a couple of years ago. And so I have here my little office. So I just wanted to match this. But this is from Mr. Price. And I've got my little office here. So I keep here my power bank and my tape measure. When I'm out there and I need to measure things, and I have an extra tape measure right there. So this is basically, an office. And then I have my wallet, which, I kind of pack them next to each other. I have my pouch for my glasses, my eyeglasses. And then here, these are my pens and highlighters. And then I mentioned earlier on that I write little verses and quotes to remember. Like, this is my business mission statement. I write it there. So when I'm out and I'm just, you know, out and about, then I have to wait for something. I have to wait and do nothing. I take this out just to remind me, to keep my mind, you know, on the grander picture. I also keep another washi tape if I need to mark anything, and I also keep gum. You know, you might just need to refresh your breath when you're out and about. And then this is for my toiletries. So in here I have feminine products, and I also have panty liners in there. I have tissue, hand lotion. I have mouthwash, just in case I need to refresh my mouth if I talk to people. Another hand lotion. And then I have lip gloss just to touch up. And then I have a perfume, a little roll-on perfume, mirror, lipstick, brush, Dr. Popo. This is such an amazing product, really, if you have chipped lips and cheeks. I have a nail file if I need to just touch up that. And then I have this little stomach medication if the kids get sick whilst I'm outside. And then that's about it. And then I have a scrunchie, a black scrunchie for my hair. So yeah, those are the things that I keep in my bag to make sure that I am organized at all times. So that's for my indoors, and these items are for my outdoors. So yeah, this is how I keep my stuff organized, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you can also keep your spaces organized. And take care, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.